My theory is politeness theory, and politeness theory focuses on communication and people's maintaining faces. And in this theory, there is positive and negative face. I have an example of positive face when me and my partner Callie were doing the service project, and I was picking her up to volunteer. We were volunteering at Feeding America, and she was not ready right away, which ended up making us late. But I didn't say anything because I wanted to show my positive face, not negative face, and I wanted to be liked by her. So I didn't say anything about it, but it bothered me a little bit. But for negative theory, I have another example. It is when Callie asked for my notes, but she worded it as, I don't mean to bother you, but can I have your notes? I missed lecture this day. So by her saying, I don't mean to bother you, starting off with that, that was indicating that it's a negative phase. So it was a negative phase because she didn't want to worry about my reactions. So she started off by saying, I don't mean to bother you. Or, like, yeah, basically just that. Another example I just thought of for positive phase was when me and Kelly were volunteering. We were talking about our families in a positive way, and we were learning things about each other. One thing we learned is we both have a older brother, and I think this could be politeness theory because we wanted to be liked and approved of each other. So, um, yeah. So after knowing what the faces are, there's also face threatening act and politeness theory. And face threatening act is when your face is threatened, and then it changes your perception of another person's face. So examples of this could be apologizing, offering advice, or asking for advice, which I showed this asking advice face threatening act because I asked Callie what, or like a suggestion on what theory to do, and that was an example of face threatening act because I didn't know how she would react or what she would say or take it as. So, yeah, that would be face threatening act. So, that's my politeness theory of what I understand from it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. All right, thank you.